electric vehicle sales are up, but as West Chew's Greg Fox explains, the premiums you pay for insurance are going up as well.
Around $2,000 a year more to insure an EV.
It might be uninsurable. Its structural battery design means minor damage can total the entire vehicle. The world's best-selling car is the most expensive vehicle to insure in 2026. You bought the most popular EV, then got America's highest insurance bill. No parts availability means any accident could total your $40,000 SUV. New 2025 and 2026 data show EVs cost 49% more to insure than gas cars. The average EV premium hit $4,058 annually versus $2,732 for gas vehicles. Insurance premiums for EVs increased 16% in just 12 months. Some models cost over $5,000 per year. These 12 EVs are the absolute worst offenders, destroying owners' budgets. The Fisker Ocean isn't just expensive to insure, it might be uninsurable. The company filed Chapter 11 bankruptcy in June 2024, with court approval coming October 2024. Only 7,000 units were delivered before collapse. Here is the nightmare. Only 36 windshields were released post-bankruptcy. No parts availability means any accident could total your $40,000 SUV. The Fisker Owners Association literally had to form a grassroots parts network just to keep cars drivable. They're warning to potential buyers. Without FOA, some insurance companies might have dropped Ocean coverage altogether. Zero warranty coverage remains. These software updates are permanently frozen. This is what happens when an EV startup fails. Insurance for the Rivian R1T averages $2,992 to $3,600 annually. But here's what makes it worse. Rivian refuses to sell parts to non-certified repair shops. This creates a repair monopoly that sends insurance costs soaring. Forum reports show owners being quoted 4 times their previous vehicle's premium. The R1T's proprietary systems means zero aftermarket parts availability. Collision shops can't source components independently. Long wait time for parts from Rivian's limited network drive up rental car costs, which insurers factor into premiums. The 2025 InsureBiz data confirms the R1T sits among the most expensive truck to insure. Only authorized Rivian service centers can handle major repairs. Tesla Model S costs $3,500 to $4,500 annually to insure. This high-performance luxury sedan classification triggers premium pricing algorithms. Battery replacement costs range from $10,000 to $20,000. December 2025 Insurance.com data confirms these figures across multiple insurers. Here is what Tesla won't tell you. They launched Tesla Insurance in 2019 because traditional insurers charge too much, but it's only available in 13 states, expanding to 15 by March 2026. Even Tesla's own insurance averages $1,776 to $4,149 annually, and premiums surged 116% in 2023. The safety score system with full self-driving can lower rates, but constant monitoring is required. Only Tesla service centers can handle most repairs, eliminating competition. And just a quick reminder, if you think this video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. That would be a huge help for us. Thank you, and let's get back to the list. The R1S faces the same repair monopoly as its pickup sibling, with premiums ranging from $3,178 to $3,771 per year. The higher trim models push costs even further. The Adventure trim averages $3,200, while the Launch Edition hits $3,771 annually. Insurance adjusters unfamiliar with Rivian's repair costs inflate premiums out of uncertainty. One R1S owner in California reported Liberty Mutual quoting $4,100 annually for full coverage. That's 67% more than their previous BMW X5. The limited number of certified repair facilities nationwide creates a bottleneck. When collision parts take weeks to arrive, rental costs accumulate. Insurance companies price in these delays. September 2025 insurance.com data confirms the R1S as one of the costliest EVs. The Lucid Air shows extreme premium variations, averaging from $2,600 to $3,600 annually. Some California owners reported $8,000 to $9,500 per year. That's a 300% difference, showing insurers have no idea how to price this car. December 2024 Lucid Forum post revealed Farmers Insurance refusing coverage entirely in certain markets. Like Rivian, Lucid won't ship parts to non-certified shops. They told that they started, but in best case scenario, it's limited. The repair monopoly creates massive uncertainty for insurers. The Zebra's 2025 data shows this premium volatility is unprecedented. When insurers can't assess risk accurately, they overcharge dramatically. The Air's luxury classification and limited repair network combine into an insurance disaster. The GMC Hummer EV weighs over 9,000 pounds and costs $3,218 to $3,600 annually to insure. That weight creates a liability nightmare. Physics doesn't lie. Owner reports from 2024 show premiums running 40% higher than the comparable Ford F-150 Raptor. One Texas owner reported CarEdge's data confirmed his experience. $3,400 for the Hummer versus $2,400 for his previous Raptor. When this much weight combines with instant EV torque, collision damage becomes catastrophic. Limited EV certified GM technicians for high voltage repairs drive costs up. August 2025 CarEdge analysis shows the Hummer EV consistently ranks among the most expensive vehicles to insure. The Ioniq 5 costs $2,407 to $2,542 annually. But here is the hidden problem. Its structural battery design means minor damage can total the entire vehicle. The 2022 to 2023 Hyundai Kia TikTok Challenge theft crisis permanently damaged the brand's insurance reputation. Arizona insurers raise rates on all Hyundai and Kia vehicles due to brand association, even though the Ioniq 5 has proper immobilizers. Forum reports from 2024 show State Farm increasing premiums 30% when the owners switched to Ioniq 5. ClickAssure's 2025 data shows premiums dropped 20% from 2024 to 2025 as the theft crisis faded, but they remain elevated above comparable EVs. The eGMP platform's integrated battery means any undercarriage damage requires full battery replacement. Insurers price in this total loss risk. CarEdge 2025 analysis confirms the brand stigma persists. At $4,058 to $5,500 annually, the Model X is the most expensive Tesla to insure. Those Falcon Wing doors are an engineering marvel and an insurance nightmare. Each door costs $7,000 to $9,000 to replace. The complex hinge mechanisms fail frequently. Insurance.com's December 2025 data shows the Model X averaging $458 monthly. Tesla insurance could help, but remember, it's only available in 13 states, and even then, it averages $1,700 to $4,100 yearly. The luxury SUV classification automatically triggers higher rates. Limited technicians certified for Model X repairs create repair monopolies. Aftermarket Matters September 2025 analysis confirms the Model X leads all EVs in insurance costs. The Kia EV6 shares the Ioniq 5's same structural battery problem. It's the same eGMP platform. Insurance averages $2,300 to $2,800 annually. The Kia theft stigma hits harder than Hyundai's. Forum discussions from 2025 show Liberty Mutual and State Farm applying brand-wide rate increases even to vehicles with immobilizers. One EV6 owner in Florida reported his premium jumping from $800 for a Honda Accord to $2,650 for the EV6. That's 47% increase. The structural battery design means insurance companies treat minor accidents as potential total loss. When insurers see Kia on the policy, they remember the theft crisis. The EV6 GT's performance variant pushes premiums to $3,200 annually. Brand reputation matters to insurance algorithms. Liberty Mutual literally doubled rates when owners added the Nissan Ariya to their policies. Forum reports from 2024 to 25 show shocking premium increases. One owner went from $1,400 annually for a Nissan Rogue to $2,800 for the Ariya. Limited claims data means insurers price in massive uncertainty. When insurers don't have enough data on a model, they overcharge to protect themselves. Here's what makes it worse. Nissan discontinued the Ariya for the 2026 US model year. Resale values are tanking. When a model gets discontinued, parts availability becomes questionable and insurers increase premiums accordingly. October 2025, Inside EVs confirmed the discontinuation. Owners are stuck with high premiums on a dead model. One forum member called it the worst purchase decision of my life. The Model 3 costs $2,050 to $4,058 annually to insure, but here is the devastating part. LendingTree's 2024 study ranked Tesla drivers as the second riskiest on American roads. The controversial 2024 IC Cars Fatal Accident Study claimed Tesla had the highest fatal accident rate of all brands. While methodology was disputed, insurers noticed. Louisiana charges $5,718 annually on average, the highest in America. Hawaii charges $2,059, showing massive state variation. Tesla insurance exists, but only helps in 13 states, and even the rates jumped 116% in 1 year. January 2026 Insurify data confirms these figures. The world's best-selling car is the most expensive vehicle to insure in 2026. Value Penguin's January 2026 report shows the Model Y averaging $354 monthly. That's $4,248 annually. Here is the insurance nightmare. The Model Y's claims frequency is 29.47%. That's nearly 10 times the EV average of 3.12% according to Mitchell's Q1 2025 data. The integrated battery design means minor damage can total the entire car. Repair costs and high claims frequency force insurers to charge accordingly. Tesla insurance won't save you. It's unavailable in 35 states. You bought the most popular EV, then got America's highest insurance bill. These 12 EVs prove the EV insurance crisis is real and getting worse. And last but not least, which of these EVs do you own and how much do you pay annually for your insurance? Please drop in the comment below. If you enjoy watching this video, please consider watch these two related videos as well. If you think that I'm delivering something of value, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. I'm Said, you've just watched Charisma. Thank you very much, and I will catch you up in the next one. Thank you.